Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the national anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Everyone, Miss Herring here again. Welcome to this week's online assembly. Now, it's important that I mention once again about our road safety out and around our schools at the beginning and the end of the day. If you are walking to and from school, or if you are riding, it's very, very important at those peak times that you use the school crossing. Sometimes you may need to go a little further to get to the school crossing. However, crossing there, make sure that it keeps everyone safe. There are lots of cars that are parked around our school at the end of the day and at the start of the day. And sometimes when you go to walk out on to cross the road, cars can't see you behind the cars that are parked. Please make sure that you walk to the nearest crossing. On Wednesday, all of our staff had a professional learning activity around mathletics. Now, we know at our school we've been using mathletics for a number of years now. However, there have been some significant changes. During the professional learning, staff learnt about the new platform and how best to utilise this for student learning. I encourage students to get onto mathletics at home to complete the tasks that are set by their teachers. It's also very important and vital for literacy education that you read every night. So reading can be reading to yourself, you can read to a sibling or a toy or mum or dad, or it can also be having someone read to you. It's also very good to talk about your reading after you've read something. On Monday, we have a curriculum day for Labor Day, so the school will be closed. And on Tuesday, there will be no school as normal as we have our parent-teacher interviews. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. Bye.
Colour Explosion Fun Run is on the Friday the 12th of March.
Make sure you get your mum and dad to set up your online profile and so you can get everyone you know to sponsor you.
There are heaps of cool prizes up for grabs.
The more money you raise, the more choice you have for your prizes you want.
There are also prizes for students and class that raises the most. All the money we raise will be going to buying more student computers. Don't forget to wear a white t-shirt on the day. And get your parents to complete the permission form on Compass.
Hello, it's your favourite time of the week. Time for a riddle. What kind of room has no doors or windows? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work out the answer. Alright, we are all out of time. What kind of room has no doors or windows? A mushroom. Good thinking. If you got that one right, have a great week and I'll see you all again next week.